Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, which is a program that allows you to open up PDF files. And to make it even better, it's 100% free. To start off with, you need to click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to untick this option here, unless you want to install the Chrome extension. I don't have Chrome on my computer, so I'm not interested in that. Also, I don't want to install the McAfee Security or the McAfee Safe Connect. Once you have unticked all the options you don't want to install, you can go ahead now and press Install Now. You now need to press Save File, and you need to run the setup file. Once the install has finished, we can now press Finish and it will launch Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once Adobe Acrobat Reader has opened, you now need to set it as your default PDF application. To do this, all you need to do is press Yes, and you now need to press Continue. And we now need to click on Opens With, and we need to change this from Microsoft Edge to Adobe Acrobat Reader. And press OK. And there we go. As you can see, it now says Opens with Adobe Acrobat Reader. If we just hit Apply and press OK, we can now go Continue. And there we go. Everything is all set up. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.